Welcome to Smart Pharmacy, a web application to manage the pharmacy, insurance claims, etc. In home screen we can see the list of pending requests and latest answers. Claim Report module is used to search for the claim history. These are the claim histories that come under this particular insurance company or the payer. We can export this to the Excel sheet for documentation purposes. Log Search module is used to get the reports on claims sorted by the payer and date. We can export this to the Excel sheet for documentation purposes. This module is used to get the tier-wise report. This module is used to get the batch-wise report of claim submission and remittance advice. This module is used for claiming the insurance. After entering the details, we save and submit for review. Here we check for the eligibility for the claim and proceed to get a claim. By entering the details like the insurance company, card number, Emirates ID we enter to the module. After that we enter other details tasked. After entering the details we click on Submit and send the report for the claim. We can see the pending request on the screen and, down to that we can see the answers for our requests. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials please visit our YouTube channel.